give youngsters official for JM Ibarra because he's celebrating his birthday. Grabe. Ayan, padaan na lang ko.
Dadaan ka mo.
Ayan, pwede po ba natin batiin si JM ng sabay-sabay ha? Ng happy birthday JM in 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday JM! Ayong wish ka muna JM. Ayan. And yes! Palapakan po, ayan. From Miss Anna, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much. Pa-picture po muna si Sir JM with the cake, please. Look at the camera. Grabe naman ang pasabog na to. From US pa ha. Grabe ang pagmamahal yan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Ayan, balik tayo sa ating regular programming. Ganun lang. Diba?